Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we show you how to mulch a high performance garden. This will prevent weeds, hold in moisture, and feed the all-important microbes. So here's a clip from the show. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and mulch this down. And we have a garden full of vegetables. This is just pretty exciting. I really like eating, so having a garden full of good food is really fun. Next week we can put a little more mulch on if we feel like we need more. The mulch does a couple things for us. It feeds the microbes that live down in the soil. It helps keep the moisture in so that the plants have more moisture, and it helps us to keep from having to weed a lot. So we really like our mulch, and we'll put it on thicker as the season goes on. The yard is not growing yet, so we're kind of working off some older mulch at this point. Okay. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 1, Part 2. And also in this show, you're going to learn how to plant lettuce, radish, turnips, walking onions, and sprouting broccoli in a high-performance garden system. If you'd like to watch the whole High Performance Garden Show, it's free and online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. For those of you that don't know what the High Performance Garden Show is, this is your gateway to learning how to create those amazing gardens that you wish you had. We'll show you how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden. We follow a high-performance garden for 33 weeks from the seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This tiny 128 square foot garden produces over 800 pounds of food worth over $2,500 in one season with only a 15-minute a day commitment, and all the weeds from this garden fit into one pint jar. This show is a demonstration of the type of garden you can grow with a high-performance garden education. So if you are tired of blisters, backache, sweat, and tears, and you want your garden to be easy, fun, productive, and organic, then this is the garden education for you. The show is free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. There are 7 seasons, that's over 230 episodes to watch. I have people who binge watch the show and say it's better than those popular streaming channels. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click on the link below. So please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the high performance garden nuggets. Oh, and by the way, your friends might want to have an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden too, so please share the show with them. They will be thanking you later. This is all for today. Thank you for joining me, and may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.